On this Independence Day, have you decorated your desk yet? Or are you still looking for something unique and handmade? Every Independence Day, we usually make greeting cards, paper flags, or wall hangings, right? But what if this year, we try something different? Instead of this, let's create beautiful handmade souvenir desktop decor that you can gift to someone special, or proudly keep on your desk all year long as a memory of Pakistan's Independence Day. Sounds exciting? Let's make something beautiful together. Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my craft studio. Our first project is this Pakistan badge display stand. I used a simple wooden base and attached a paper clip to hold this glittery Pakistan badge. It's a small but elegant desktop decoration that looks beautiful on a study table, office desk, or home decor. Souvenir idea number 2, wooden block flag. Honestly, I love how simple this one is. Just a few wooden blocks, some green and white paint, used paper cutter for star and moon, and suddenly you have a modern patriotic decoration that's perfect for your study table, office desk, or even your classroom. By the way, if you're enjoying these DIY ideas so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports my channel. And tell me in the comments, which project would you love to make first, the badge or the wooden flag? Make sure to subscribe because I share fun DIY ideas every week. Souvenir idea number 3. Jet stand. Now, let's talk about this amazing Pakistan jet. If you've seen my previous videos, you probably already know this DIY. And if you haven't, don't worry. The full tutorial of making jet is waiting for you on my channel. Today, I'm simply turning that handmade jet into a beautiful desktop display stand, so you can proudly showcase it as an Independence Day souvenir. I think it looks so much more special this way. I simply took 2 white wooden blocks from my kids' toys and attached with cloth peg pin to make jet holder. This stand souvenir looks fabulous. Independence Day isn't just about decorations. It's about celebrating our freedom, our memories, and the pride we feel for our country. So why not make this year's decorations extra special by creating them with your own hands? 14th August is more than just a holiday. It's a reminder of the freedom our elders fought for, and I love turning that feeling into something we can craft with our own hands, using things that would otherwise go to waste. It's a small way to say, we're proud and we made it ourselves. And finally, my favorite piece. This elegant floral Pakistan flag stand. It combines a tiny glass vase, some beautiful flowers, and a miniature Pakistan flag to create a lovely desk decoration. I absolutely love how elegant and festive it looks. And don't forget the small details, a glass jar with fresh white flowers right next to the flag stand. It softens the whole patriotic display and makes it feel like home decor, not just a craft. Wouldn't this look amazing on your office desk, your study table, or even as a handmade gift for someone you love? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Well, today I've got 4 adorable desktop decor ideas that are super easy, budget-friendly, and perfect for celebrating Pakistan's Independence Day. Happy Independence Day and Pakistan Zindabad!